There have been never a time like this globally. The COVID-19 has really showcased the actual status of some of the countries, particularly the developing countries, the first world countries. They are massively in disarray with regarding to manage this COVID crisis and challenges connected with it. You can see in multiple frontiers, they are facing numerous challenges, whether it's managing the economy or the health or the people of that respective countries and foreign relationships, diplomatic relationships, and many affairs they run. Not only the countries of the first world, but the big corporates unable to match up to their expectations to deliver the goods and services they have been very strongly poised to deliver to people across the world. Many challenges like that. But in the same time, something which is very clearly visible was that the falsehood, the false things are getting exposed. Nothing real is threatened in the world. Nothing real. Nothing real can be threatened. No one can threaten it. No powerful company can threaten it. No country can threaten what is real. Nothing real cannot be threatened. In the same time, nothing unreal can exist. Nothing unreal can exist. And COVID-19, the pandemic has showcased this status in the world, in the countries, in the corporate world, in the economy, in the social fabric. Ladies and gentlemen, nothing real will be threatened. Even in our lives, you don't have to defend the truth or what is real. That itself will defend itself. You and I need not defend the reality. Reality cannot be threatened by any man or any person, any institution or any entity. But what is unreal need to be protected and safeguarded. And that is why many initiatives coming from countries, corporates, and the people across the world. But nothing unreal can survive and exist. It will be exposed and it will face the extinct sooner or later. Ladies and gentlemen, in your life or in my life, make sure the reality, the truth is what you're standing on, because that cannot be threatened. If you are standing on the truth, on the reality of things, it cannot be threatened by any man or any woman, any institution. But if you are standing upon the unreal things, the falsehood, not only that would be exposed, you would be exposed for safeguarding and standing upon it. Think about it.